Between Animal Farm and 1984, author George Orwell published the essay Politics and the English Language, in which he advocated for the importance of precise and clear language, arguing that vague writing can be used as a powerful tool of political manipulation because it shapes the way we think. He wrote, "The fight against bad English is not frivolous, and it is not the exclusive concern of professional writers." Speaking of Orwell's rules, he suggests to never use a metaphor, simile, or other figure of speech which you are used to seeing in print. Was something really down to the wire, or a witch hunt, or a piece of cake? Never use a long word where a short one will do. Use per instead of in accordance with, end instead of terminate, and need instead of requirement. If it's possible, cut a word out. Words and phrases like currently, the month of, and most instances of the word that can also be cut from your writing. Moving on to rule number 4. Never use the passive voice where you can use the active. Now, in active voice, the subject of the sentence is doing the action. The website Grammar Girl offers a great example of active versus passive voice with the title of Marvin Gaye's song, "I Heard It Through the Grapevine." I, the subject, heard it, the action. Now, in passive voice, the much less catchy title would be "It was heard by me through the grapevine." Never use a foreign phrase, a scientific word, or a jargon word if you can think of an everyday English equivalent. Now, during my first semester of college, I had an assignment that included a Latin phrase that I didn't understand. Now, Google didn't exist back then, so my roommate had to call her father to ask what the word meant so I could start my homework. Your audience shouldn't need a dictionary or a translator to get through your story. Likewise, in AP style, only the most common acronyms are not spelled out on first reference. Now, break any of these rules sooner than say anything outright barbarous. Or, if we were following Orwell's rules, feel free to break them rather than be cruel or harsh.